Hello everyone, I am Roni Thomre. I welcome all of you in this fourth lecture on HTML block level tags from HTML tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn what is HTML block level tags, then different HTML block level tags like heading tag from H1 to H6, paragraph tag, then line break tag, centering tag, horizontal rule tag, and preserve formatting, that is pre tag. Let us discuss one by one with demonstration. What is HTML block level tag? A block level elements always start on a new line. It typically contains inline elements and other block level elements. When rendered visually, they are begin on a new line. For example, consider p tag. P tag is used to start the paragraph on web page on a next line. Whenever we are using different p tags or block level tags, it will be going to start on a new line. Now, let us first discuss the heading tag. HTML has 6 levels of heading from H1 to H6. H1 is used for main heading, H2 is used for subheading. If there are further sections under the subheading, then the H3 elements is used, and so on. Browsers display the content of heading at different sizes. The content of H1 element is the largest and the content of H6 element is the smallest. The H1 element defines a level 1 heading. A document generally should have exactly one H1 element to mark the most important heading. The H2 element defines the level 2 heading. This heading is more important than H3 but less important than H1. Subsequently, there are H3, H4, H5 and H6 subheadings are available. The syntax for heading tag is: it consists of opening and closing tag, and the content goes between opening and closing tag. So for H1 heading, first we are going to provide H1 opening bracket, then content in between, and then closing H1 tag. Similarly, same syntax we are going to use for the next subsequent heading. Now, the next block level tag is paragraph tag. The P element defines a paragraph. The most basic paragraph type is the body paragraph, indicated by the P tag. To create a paragraph, surround the words that make the paragraph with an opening and closing P tag. By default, a browser will show each paragraph on a new line with some space between it. It describes how the elements should be displayed. The syntax of paragraph tag is same as heading tag. Here also we are using opening and closing tag, and contents goes between the opening and closing tag. Next, line break tag. If you wanted to add a line break inside the middle of paragraph, then you can use the line break tag BR. The syntax of BR tag is opening and closing bracket and in between BR element. As it is a void element, there is no need to provide the closing BR tag. Also, it do not have any content. Next one is the centering tag. The center tag helps to align the text towards the center of the line. The center element defines the block whose content are centered horizontally on Visual Browser. As it is a container elements, the syntax of center tag is opening tag and closing tag, and the content goes between opening and closing tag. Next, the horizontal rule. The HR, that is horizontal rule tag, inserts the horizontal line between paragraph level document. The syntax of horizontal rule tag is opening HR tag. It is also a void element, so there is no need to provide the closing HR tag, and it also don't have any contents between. The next one is preserve formatting tag. The P tag tells the browser to render the text and elements in the same way as it is coded by retaining the exact space, font size, line break, and other formatting characters. Browser usually render pre-text into fixed pitched format. It contains the line break and spaces. The syntax of pre-tag is opening and closing pre-tag, and content goes between the opening and closing tag. Now let us have the demonstration of each block level tags. This is the HTML structure. Here we are using the different tags like HTML, opening and closing HTML tag. Then we have started the head section by using the head tag and body section by using the body tag. Now first we are going to define the title of web page. For that we are using the title tag in head section. I will be going to provide title as introduction to HTML block level tag. And then provide the closing title tag. Next, in body section we are going to demonstrate the different heading tag. Now as I have told you that there are 6 levels of heading. It is started with H1 and end to H6. H1 is the most important tag, whereas H6 is the least important heading tag. Now let us demonstrate one by one. Here I will be going to use first H1 tag, then the content is this is H1 tag, H1 tag, and then provide the closing H1 tag. Save the document and then go to the web browser to check the content. Refresh the web page. It will show you title as introduction to HTML block level tags, and this is the heading 1. Now again go to the coding part and provide the different heading. Now here I am going to use the H2 tag, and content is this is H2 tag. Provide the closing H2 tag. Similarly, write the code for H3, H4, H5 and H6 tag. Content and heading name. Okay, this is how I have created the code for H1 to H6 tag. Now save the document and then go to web browser to check the result. Now refresh the web browser, it will show you the output. Here H1 is the most important and H6 is the least important heading tag. Now this is what the demonstration of heading tag H1 to H6. Now the next element is P tag. P tag is used to start the paragraph on web page. For that we are using opening P tag and closing P tag, and we are providing the content of paragraph in between opening and closing P tag. Now here I want to provide the text as this is the web page for introduction of different block level elements from HTML5. I'm just going to save this document and then go to the web browser to check the content. Now it will start with the new paragraph. This is the web page for introduction of different level elements from HTML5. If you want to start with the another one paragraph, then again go to use P tag. Okay, now I will be going to provide another one paragraph which indicates introduction to P tag. So just save the document and check for the content. Now here the another one paragraph is going to be started and it will be provided on next line on browser. Now the next block level tag is BR tag. Okay, BR tag is used to provide the break in between the paragraph. Now suppose here I want to provide the line break in this paragraph, then for that we are using the BR tag. The syntax of BR tag, we are providing the BR tag in between opening and closing angle. There is no any closing BR tag and there is also no any content. So when you are going to save this document and check for the content, previously it will shows the content of a paragraph on a single line. When you are going to use the break tag, it will break the line and display the content of the BR tag on the next line. Also, if you want to add multiple line break, then also it is possible. For that you have to provide the multiple different BR tag in between. I have provided the 3 BR tags, so it will provide the 3 lines break in between the paragraph. Now check for the output. It will give the break of 3 lines in the paragraph. The next element is center element. Center element is used to add the content to the center of your web page. So here I am going to provide the center alignment to the paragraph. The syntax of center tag is opening and closing center tag and content goes between it. Save the documents and check for the result. Your content appears at the center of web page. The next tag is HR tag. HR tag is used to provide the horizontal rule. You can use anywhere HR tag on your web page. So it is used to provide the horizontal rule after or before the paragraph. Here the horizontal rule is provided after the paragraph. Likewise, you can also provide the HR horizontal rule before the paragraph. So I have provided the HR tag before the paragraph. HR is also a void element. There is no need to provide the closing HR tag. Now save the document and check for the output. Here 2 horizontal rules provided before and after the paragraph. The next tag is pre-tag. Before using the pre-tag, now I want to display this content paragraph on the web page. So I have make the changes in my document and check for the result. Whenever refreshing this web page, it will display the output in 2 lines. There is no any space provided, no any font fixed format is available. If you want to look the text in the same format which you have provided in the HTML coding, then for that you can use the pre-tag. If you want to provide the space in between, then if you want to provide line spacing, it can be directly appear. Save the changes and then check for the result. Now it will appear same way whatever that you have provided at the time of coding. So this is what all about the different HTML block level tags. Thank you for watching.